Cleaning your Daikin Cora split system filter is easy. It takes less than 5 minutes, and all you need is lukewarm water. The first step is to turn your unit off using your controller. Once the louvers are closed, lift the front panel up. Now that the air filters are accessible, gently pull the black panels out. Next, remove the photocatalytic air purifying filters by unhooking them from the claws. Now, clean all the filters with lukewarm water and air dry in the shade out of direct sunlight. If the dirt and dust is heavy, wash thoroughly. Be sure not to wring out the filter to remove water. For good cleaning measure, you can go over it with a duster or a vacuum cleaner to get rid of any leftover dirt. Now that the filters are clean, reattach each filter starting with the air purifying filter. Then slide the air filters back into place, close the front panel, and now you're ready to use your Daikin split system. Remember to clean your filter regularly, as poorly maintained filters affect energy efficiency. At Daikin, we recommend you clean your filters once every season so you can enjoy the best air anywhere.